Welcome to another class with me, Ming, and today we'll talk about how to find the equation of a line here. So the equation of a line like this is usually given using this particular formula, y equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient of the line and c is the y-intercept. So you can think of it, in order to find the equation of a line, you need to know where is the starting point of the line. So you think of this line as your road. Where are you heading? But before you're heading, you need to know where are you starting. So C is your y-intercept. That's your starting point. And then M gradient is where are you heading? Do you go to right and then left or whatever? So that is the gradient. So over here, I have A up here. For example, A is up here. And this, you can see that this is 0, 4. The x is equal to 0 and 4 is, and y is 4. And B here is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 0. And basically here we have a drop of 4 units. The drop of 4 units. And then a run of 8 units. So the gradient here is very simple. The gradient here is just going to be simply m equal to negative 4 over 8, which is negative half. And the y-intercept, this is called the y-intercept. That is the point where the line intersects the y-axis. That's the y-intercept. This is called the root or the x-intercept. This is the point where the graph intercepts the x-axis. In our case, we need a y-intercept. A y-intercept in this case is just going to be just 4. Therefore, the equation of this line is going to be y equal to negative half x plus 4. And that's it. As simple as that. Now, we look at 2 examples. Alright, so before we go further, let's put in the label the axis. Right, so this is x and here's y, and to make it clearer, here is 1 unit, here's 2, here's 4, this is 2, 4, 6, and here's 0. And this particular point here can't really see very well. Alright, and we can figure out. This is easier to see. Now, what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept here is very simple. This is the y-intercept, which is equal to 1. Now, what's the gradient? Well, in this case, we can count. Right, for example, from here, well, how much is that? Right, this is actually about half a unit, negative half. In fact, if you look at it carefully. So in this case, the m here, the rise is, you can see the rise here is actually 1 unit. And the run is only half a unit. So it's going to be 1 over half. So the answer to this is 2. Right? The gradient here is 2. And this is positive gradient. Going this way, the gradient is positive. So the equation of this line is going to be 2 x and then plus the y-intercept, which is 1. And that's it. For this one, we see that the orientation is different. This is actually going to be a negative gradient, right? So up here, you can see that here's 2, 4, and here's 5. So we have a drop of 5 units. And then a run as well is 2, 4. This is also 5. A 5 unit run. Therefore, the m in this case is going to be negative 5 over 5, which is actually negative 1. So the gradient is negative. And the y-intercept is 5. So the equation here now is going to be y equal to negative 1x or negative x plus 5.